You know, Jared, you can't complain about today's weather. Tomorrow's going to be even better, but as we know, living here in South Texas, it's a roller coaster.
One more warm day in the sun for tomorrow. Temperatures near 70 degrees. Only deal is it's on a Monday, wouldn't you know it? But it's going to be a nice day. Get out and enjoy. Could be the last warm one that we have for quite some time. Okay, live look over downtown. We are looking good. We've got mainly clear skies, and of course that usually allows temperatures to drop off quite a bit. We're at 46 degrees right now, but here's the thing. Dew points are going to start coming up, and that means the overnight temperatures will level off. So even though we're dropping pretty fast right now, we should just drop another couple of degrees. 67 degrees, that was the high for today, not far off of where we should be this time of year. And just in case you were wondering, by the way, because many of us were awakened over last night, it was between 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock in the morning, and this is what it really panned out to. We're now at 1.6 inches on the month, by that extension the year, so we ended up getting a general quarter of an inch to a half inch, and that's exactly what we were anticipating. But not only that, this morning we had various pictures coming in with some small hail, not even pea-sized, less than that, and there you see the rainfall amounts. Pretty healthy rain. High pressure moves back in. Monday looking good. Monday should be the warmest day of the 7-day forecast before we get that next big front. The thing of it is, this next front, it is going to pack a punch, but not much in the rain department. It'll give us a reinforcing shot of dry air. We do have a couple of rain chances, though, on the horizon. It looks like the rain chances begin to ramp up later on in the week. You take one quick glance at this picture that was captured by Art Moreno around Live Oak overnight last night. Almost looks like snow, but that was it. It was that very small-sized hail. We don't issue warnings on that, and generally you don't have to worry about it threatening your property. 10 degrees right now, Chicago, 4 in Minneapolis. That's been the focal point over the past few days, and believe you me, in the weather world, it will continue to be. It is going to be just a brutal go over in their neck of the woods. Hasn't been much better down to the south in Florida. They have been socked in with rain for at least the past 24 hours, and the rain just kind of hanging out right off of the coastline and then backtracking into that cold air mass. You could see the snow and then that pink indicating that little mixture when you're hovering right around freezing. Much less eventful over here in our neck of the woods. Matter of fact, we look to stay dry between now through Thursday, so you still have a few more chances to get out there and watch the car. 45 in New Braunfels, 52 in Gonzales, and 47 in Hallettsville. Again, temperatures won't drop too much further just because the dew point's coming back up. And by the way, dew points will continue to go back up all the way through the end of that 7-day forecast. It all culminates next Saturday. It looks like we could get a pretty good chance that day of not only showers, but maybe even a couple of thunderstorms. Remember, very quickly, we're going to jump into the month of February, and I don't have to remind you, it was just a couple of years ago that it was in the month of February that we had that pretty bad tornado outbreak right in the heart of San Antonio. So we're going to start to warm things up on the horizon. Well, that is definitely the opposite of what they're going to do up here. Chicago back to Minneapolis. Yeah, polar vortex, rounds and rounds of Arctic air. And these are not even, by the way, these aren't even wind chills. Those are just raw numbers. I can tell you, even out to New York, they're going to be seeing temperatures in the teens, which even by their standards is very, very cold. Well, mid-40s for tonight, not too shabby. And then for tomorrow, right around 70 degrees. That's why we live right here in Texas. 45 for tonight with mainly clear skies. Could get a few upper 30s in the northern hill country. Tomorrow is certainly the warmest day of the week. Get out and enjoy. That's a good way to start for your Monday. 70 degrees on the high, and then the bottom drops out. We'll see colder stuff. The coldest will be Wednesday morning when we get a light freeze at the magic number of 32. And I've kind of pumped up the chance of rain. Look at next Saturday, 40%, and yes, we could get a few storms there, and then we warm back up. Is this nearing the end of winter? It just might be.